Oh, first, look at the camera and clap. Real big clap. Okay. Now, whenever you're ready.
Ready.
Let's count down. Let's go 3, 2, 1, then turn. Okay.
You're watching Kostas Toy Machine.
That was good. Try one more.
Whoa, didn't see you there.
Neither did I. What is this?
Oh, this is Kostas Toy Machine.
Hello.
If you forgot our names,
And welcome.
This is Kostas Shark, Papa G.
What up? Okay, so this is our second episode. So what are we gonna do in this episode? What did we print this time?
Okay, we print the parts of the cakes.
Right? Because remember last time we were like, hey, we're gonna print a cake. So hold on one second. Let me put it down here. Let me get this. All right. And let's look at all these pieces. So we got that's a piece. 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 Yeah. Hold on one second. And this is the top. See, it says cake right there. All right.
Cake 3.
How many pieces do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 pieces. Cinco. All right. So we got 5 pieces, and we got to put it all together. But
It's
look.
actually 5 Pac-Mans.
All right. So, but we had to print these little support things in them, and when we did that, now we've got to take them off. So first, since we have all these printed, you've seen the after. Let's go to how we actually choose and print all of the cakes. Okay?
So put your fist really close together and open them up.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we go like this?
How about we clap it?
Look, here, I got something in here. Okay? Now, here.
Oh, it's moving! It's moving!
Help me open up my hand. Help me open up my hand. 1, 2, 3.
Well, what's up, peeps? We're checking out what you wanted to make, and we're making it. Cake!
Yep. What? Okay, so we're gonna look at different cakes, huh?
Okay, the first one is this cake.
All right, so we have 3 different choices to look at, and Kostas, you're gonna pick the cake, okay? Right? Is that what we're doing?
This is my favorite one.
This one? All right, let's go to the first one. All right.
The first one is
Okay.
It has a little flower on it with some candles and a heart on top.
Right. So let's look at all the different pieces.
The pieces you need like a little small cake, a big cake, and a little heart stick, and a bottom icing.
Yeah, that's icing. Yeah, good job. That looks like a Hershey Kiss, huh?
Yeah, that's just like a little.
It's like a little top part for this. It goes on that.
That's a candle.
Oh, it's a candle. Okay.
And then the next one is this kind of cake. So it says 32. You need like a gear.
That looks like a gear, but it's I think this one is like a bunch of different pieces put together.
A little thick gear.
Yeah. Bless you.
A square piece, which I don't know.
Yeah, me neither.
And like a filament piece.
Yeah. It's a bunch of pieces on this one.
This
one
like
would be
circle.
Yeah. I think that's the bottom, and then these are all. So keep going. I think it shows.
This is the third one. The third one is that these are Pac-Man cakes.
Oh, okay. So they have little pieces in them, huh?
See? Look.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Go back. Click on that button. Oh, so it's all little pieces that we can put in there. All right, so we can print each one individually, different colors, okay?
I think I want to do this one.
Okay, that's the one you want to do. Now, let's pick the colors.
The colors.
Okay, you don't have to make fun of me. All right.
I wasn't making fun of you. I'm making fun of the colors.
Oh, okay. All right. So we got our colors up here. What colors do you want to make the cake? We can do different colors because we can print them in different pieces. So
How about we use green?
I am the green lady.
Okay.
With just white.
You like white? So we got white up here, huh?
So
And we got green. Do you want to do a blue or a pink? Or we can make part of
I
it?
want to do like a like a, the yellow that looks like a little bit light?
I am obsessed with yellow, if you can't.
There's the green one that's a little bit
Oh
like.
yeah, where did that yellow go? They call me Mellow Yellow.
Hold on.
What, did you take it?
No,
You stole it.
I didn't.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Kostas, you know where it is?
I don't know.
I do. It's on the printer.
Wow.
Because we were using it to make the Mario coins.
Well, duh.
Alright, so we're gonna print this cake with green, white,
And purple.
oh, purple.
Oh, there's this purple lady. She's so great.
And pink. That's
You said purple.
purple.
And pink, man, you got a lot of colors. Let's do that. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do next. So the next thing you're gonna see is how we put it into a program on the computer and then put it on the printer, and then you'll see the time lapse. Hey, what's up? We had a little bit of a technical difficulty because I forgot to press record when Kostas Shark and I were walking through the 3D model program. So I'm going to walk you through part of it, and then we're going to cut to where Kostas and I actually are recorded, because Baba G doesn't know what he's doing. But let's look at this. So what we've done is we've opened up a program called Cura. Now it's a free software that we use, and what it does is it allows you to bring in 3D models. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we're going to go to the file program. We're going to go to where we've actually put the cake, and if we go down, we should have saved it under cake. There it is. Sweet. All right, so we're going to open up the top layer cake, and there it is. Now it's in the program. You can see it is a 3D model that we've downloaded, and it brought it into Cura. And we can do all sorts of stuff. We can change the size of it, the scale of it. So we're gonna scale it up a little bit because it looks kind of small. And then when we do that, it actually makes it bigger in the program.
If you want to make it smaller, we just have to.
We'll click on the thing right there. Yeah, there you go. Now drag it down. Oh, no. Drag, yeah, there you go. Look. And then go up again. And then go down. Okay, so let me show you something real quick. So
Wait, it could be 0. Watch this.
well, no, it doesn't go past 0. So that's gonna be the first thing that prints. Is it's gonna look like that, the first thing, and then as it goes up, it's gonna keep doing it, and then that's the infill. Remember, I said triangles.
Hold on,
Look,
hold on.
there's the triangles, the
Let
inside.
Let me get.
Okay.
So
okay.
it's 7. When it's filled with the triangles, it goes a little bit with the.
That's the inside of the toy that we're making.
Yeah, and it looks like Pac-Man, right? And then it goes to the baby Pac-Man. Then it goes to a circle, and then it already goes to the top, and then
Right.
that's the first layer.
Yep. No, that's all the layers. That's all the layers.
No, I mean
So-
like the first top.
Yeah, the first top of the piece. Okay, so now we're gonna hit save to removable disk. So it's gonna save to the disk that we put into the printer. Okay. So we do save, and then it saves it. All right. Cool. So now let's do the other pieces. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and delete this
Blah.
because we don't need that one anymore. It's already saved in there.
Wait, hold on.
That we already did. So we did.
If you delete it, then it will be gone forever.
No, it's saved on the drive that
Oh
we're
wait,
using.
when you delete it, okay. When you delete it, it'll still be there.
Yeah, that's why.
Mhm. It's actually 125.
There? Oh, that's why. So it said layer view. It's not layer view. It's solid. There we go. Okay. So this is the bottom. That's the bottom piece right there. Okay. And we did 125 like the other one. But everything else is the same. It looks like this one. We may need layers. You see right here, these kind of overhang a little. So we may need to do support. Sorry, not layers, support. So let's go to hit prepare.
Those things that are called bumps are actually the cream on the cake.
Yeah. Well, this is the bottom of the cake. Yeah, you're right. This icing. So this, it looks like for these pieces, we'll probably need it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
So if we just need the pieces, we just chop And if you want to make it small or big,
Yeah.
just let me know.
Okay, so next, let's go ahead and add support. So we hit support and we hit generate support.
That's all for Kostas Toy Machine. Kidding.
All right, so now we have little support pieces, as you see. These
Wow.
little notches here, they're there so that when the pieces come out, they don't fall down and it prints properly, okay?
Okay,
So
those
now we
little
got
knot
that.
pieces are actually called like things that Daddy has to get out, so
Yeah.
so it can be like.
What color do you want the bottom to be?
I want it to be
So the top's gonna be green. What do you want the bottom to be?
the bottom be neon yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
Neon
All right.
yellow.
Alright, so this is that one. That one's ready to go. We're gonna hit save to remove all this.
Neon yellow.
Yeah, but I just put yellow. It is okay. And I didn't even spell yellow correctly. I said yellow. Like
It's
yellow.
It's W.
I know, but I didn't even put it on there. But it's okay.
Just put the W.
But I already saved it.
You're new.
Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of this one and do the last piece, okay?
Oh wait, we have to do the. So like when I just like froze for a second.
Click on this, and let's do 125. Alright, and let's hit prepare.
Prepare.
Alright, so this is the inside. Do
Let's
we need
make
3 of these? Do we need 3 of these?
No, we have
Let's
100
take it-
million.
Let's take off support and see what happens.
You just made it great. You're new.
No, I didn't make it gray on purpose. Yeah, we are gonna have to do support. Okay, so there.
You're new.
Okay, you've said that enough. Okay, I am a noob, but I do have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, so that's not what I meant to hit. That looks good. What color do you want the inside of the cake to be?
The inside of the cake is gonna be purple.
Purple. And save.
And next time, if you want to vote something cool, we'll do it.
All right, leave these alone. Leave these alone. All right, so next we're going to put it in the printer. So the next thing you're going to see is us putting this in the printer and it getting going. Okay.
Let's do speed. So let's pull it real down.
No, this part is just going to be a cut, but we're going to do something cool for that next time. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do a cut and then we'll bring you to the 3D printer.
Right. Okay.
This is all for Kostas Toy Machine for now.
Well, for this segment.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thanks for watching Kostas Toy Machine this right now, and then you'll see it again because we're just gonna do a cut. Okay.
All right. Say and cut.
And cut.
Okay. So this is the bottom of the cake we just made, right?
Yeah, because if the other one messed up because
Yeah, it messed up. We'll show you guys the time lapse of it messing up. But go ahead and pick it up. All right, and let's show the people a little bit what this one looks like. This is the bottom. You
Yeah.
can see a little bit of icing and stuff. Maybe we should paint this a little bit. What do you
Yeah,
think?
and guys-
we'll think about it.
Guys, wait. Let me show you the one that messed up.
Well, let's show them in a few minutes. But next, let's show them how to change the filament on the machine. Okay, so
To
go ahead.
change filament, you have to put like different colors. So first, if you want to put like if you have a 3D printer, you can put the first one, like filament in, and then second you can put the next one in, and then third you can put the third one in. If you want to make a cake, then you have to make all the directions, all the colors that you like.
All right, so come over here. Because right now we have yellow and we're going to change it to that green, right?
Okay.
Okay, so hit the skull. All right, now go down to prepare, right? And then go all the way down to preheat PLA, because that's the type of filament we're using is PLA filament, okay? So, push the skull, and then one more time to preheat PLA.
PLA.
Yep. All right, so that's going to heat up. And then, once it's done heating up, and it gets to the right temperature, it's gonna let us change the filament out to a different color.
And then when it melts the filament, it will change into a different color, and then it will stop, and then you can put the next filament in.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna stop the recording for just a second. We're gonna be right back. All right, so now it's at the right temperatures, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to
It looks like a little worm.
change filament.
Oh, I can get the little.
Okay, don't touch that. It's really hot. Yeah. Okay, here. You hold this on the bottom, like I showed you.
Okay, we're back.
All right, you gotta look it up at me. You gotta show me. I'm super cool, right?
Mhm.
All right, so I'm changing the filament out. I'm pulling it out of that tube.
See, Daddy's changing the filament.
Almost ready.
Okay. I can't see your face.
It's all right.
There you go.
All right, come over here. Now, get right here. You see where the filament's hanging down?
Yeah.
Now, just keep it there. Get close.
Oh, it's coming up.
See, it's pushing all the new filament through to get rid of the old filament color. I don't know. This where the black part is. Yeah.
Can I take it off?
Not yet. So you could see it was yellow, and now it's turned to the new color. So it's gonna keep pushing it out until it's got enough out. It'll tell us in a second when it's ready. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hit resume print, and then we're gonna start with the bottom or the top of the cake, which is gonna be the cool color. This color. Alrighty. See you guys in a minute. Time for a time lapse.
One, two, three. Now we're back.
We're back.
Back.
We are back. Okay, so now that you saw how we selected everything when we were on the computer, you chose all the different cakes. Remember doing that?
Yeah, but guys, I didn't tell you a real secret. I can disappear in this show.
Where'd he go? Kostas? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
See?
All right, so we chose the different cakes, right? We showed him how to do that. Then we loaded it into the printer. What else is something we did?
Well,
Didn't we show him how we changed?
yeah, we changed the filament. So this is neon green,
This, well, yeah.
blue, purple, red, and yellow.
And that's all these colors here except for the red, right?
Yeah. This is
What is that? That's the one that messed up. Yeah, so we're going to show you that quick time lapse because even though you saw these get printed well, we mess up sometimes. And so this one was the first one when we were trying to print yellow. It was the very first thing we did, and for some reason it screwed up, remember?
Yeah, let's show you the intro.
So you saw how we did it. Now, let me show you. This is a close-up of kind of what happened. It's not gonna, I pulled off all the little extras. So it just kind of stopped. I don't really know why it did that. I'm sure there's plenty of people who do 3D printing a lot better than I do.
Yes.
They know exactly what happened, but I don't know as well as they do. So this is the other one. What can this be since we're not gonna use it?
This could be, that could be like a pretend.
This could really be like a Pac-Man.
Yeah, maybe that could be like a double Pac-Man that ate a Pac-Man.
Yeah, and or Frisbee. Watch. Okay. So now, ooh, there we go. You're pulling the supports off. Okay. You gotta be slow. Don't pour too quick. All right. Cool. So let's take this. Hold on. Slow down a little bit. Okay. So that piece here. Hold this. You got it? Because I got a tool to help you out. I got a tool. There. Here. Let's grab this right here. I'm gonna grab on now. Pull. There we go. All right. So I think that's most of them. Let me see here. So let me get this. I'm gonna pull a little piece off here while you work on that one. You got it? You doing all right? Cool. So these are all the little supports that we put on there so that it would print properly. Because if we didn't put the supports, it would have nothing to print on for part of it, and it would just start going crazy, kind of like that other one. Even though we had support, it still went a little crazy. I don't know why. But let's see. Now, pull all this off. You got it? You need me to help? Okay, let me reach in here and then get you started, and then you can finish it up. Okay. This is the one that just finished. So it may take a second because usually they have to cool down for a little bit. Let me see. Hold on. What's in there? Sometimes you stick your tongue out. That'll help. See? All right. Now you can start pulling. Stick your tongue out. There you go. That's when you know you're concentrating. You got it. Keep pulling. You got this. You got this, Wolf. Come on. Keep going. Close up camera. Almost done. I may need that with the tool. With the pliers. You got it? Here, let me try. You hold the camera. You hold the camera? Okay, get your hands out of the way. Tap the back.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. Can you see? Alright, let me show you.
It's 93 batteries.
93 batteries or 93 battery percentage?
Yeah.
99 red balloons.
93.
93 red balloons. That's not how the song goes. You know what song I'm talking about? Oh, you do? How does it go?
93 red balloons.
It's crazy after that. Alright. And I'm going to keep.
Wheels are stubborn.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, so
Okay. And then
Where are you
what
going?
I'm gonna show you.
where are you going? No. Come over here. We got the cake right here. We don't have to move to another scene. You silly butt. Alright, so next is putting the cake together. So the way it works, Kostas, is
I'm bendy.
you're not bending. Alright, so each one of these stack on top. Can you stack these three colors together? Yep.
Right?
Alright, perfect. Now let's look at them stacked up. That's pretty cool. Alright, then these three stacks go in the bottom piece. This is the bottom piece, so put these in there. Yeah, we could change the stack order. That's fine. Oh, one more. Okay, so I'm gonna set this down right there. But this fits on. Now remember this one. See, this one has this cool notch thing right here, right? And then it has a little groove there, so they fit together like a puzzle. Okay, so fit that together. I think you can push down on it right here.
It's a Z.
Yeah, it is a Z for zebra. There, push down on this. Okay.
And boom.
Yeah, look at that. That's the cake you made.
This is all the pieces for the
Let me see.
cake.
Let me see here. Look, it changes.
And you can even play with it.
Yeah.
Like, woohoo! It's like an elevator. It's like an elevator.
And it says cake. And then there's these
Cake
pieces.
elevator.
Look, and you got like you can do this.
Z.
Yeah, like this all the way over. And this one. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think this was a cool thing to print? Do you think this was a cool thing to print?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What all colors did we use?
We used neon green, purple.
I don't know if this is neon green. This is that one that changes.
And yellow.
Blue and red and yellow. What's your favorite color in here?
My favorite color is neon green.
Neon, well, it's like a weird green. Neons are from the 90s. You weren't born then. Okay, what is y'all's favorite color? What's your favorite piece about this? Please comment below, let us know. We got this weird green color. We have purple, blue, red, and yellow. So let us know what your favorite color is. And comment below. And this is, again, all the other stuff that we printed.
You have to eat this.
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to show you how we play with it. Sorry. Okay, cut the video. Bing bong. We're back.
Bing bong.
We just like cut it because
Yeah.
like
Okay.
that corny.
So let's see. This is like you slice the cake, right?
Like, okay, watch this. I'm gonna slice the cake.
Yeah. Careful. Oh yeah, there we go. Now they all came off. And you can change the order. So like if you want it to be red on the bottom, then blue, then purple, then you can put this back on. You gotta match up the little groove part. Slow. But careful. Make sure everything's matched. There.
And then you can like
You can spin them. Look at that.
And then when you can pretend that you chop the cake like watch this.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I got to shout out for Emma and JJ. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so what do you think we should print next? I think we should print something from Fortnite.
Yeah.
There's the llama from Fortnite. Do you think that's cool?
Yeah, or maybe we can print like a mint and we can make bills just like you asked.
That was a pretty bad tag joke that you're kind of bringing into this episode. That's funny. Why don't we print the llama from Fortnite on the next episode, okay? So, what do they need to do to make sure they don't miss an episode of Kostas Toy Machine?
Subscribe.
And
Hit the notification bell.
ding, ding, ding.
And comment down below.
Comment down below
one.
which color was your favorite and how do you say red in Spanish?
And do you want to do the Fortnite or the filament?
Well, I think we should do the Fortnite, but we could try to see if we could find a mint. It's just the mint's not going to be as exciting as the llama, I don't think.
Okay. And hold on.
Hold on.
We're going to say goodbye for now.
Goodbye for now.
Okay. So, goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm going to glitch.
Okay.
And then this is how we go goodbye. Okay, we're done.
Are we done?
Yeah.
He's the Kostas Shark.